Namaskar, I am Advocate Saurabh Kunal. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we discuss issues of legal and financial education. So today we are going to discuss about the section 323. 323 is generally meant for if there is any manhandling between the parties. So it is meant for those kind of small alteration between the parties where some manhandling has also occurred between the parties. So today our discussion will be specific to this. So before that, I will like to give you an anecdote. One of my client called me. He was selected in one government services, and he asked me that during his college days he was involved in a fight and an FIR has been registered in the local police station. So is there any threat to his appointment? So I ensured that there is no threat, and I discussed the entire procedure, and the same I am going to do with you. That if in case if an FIR has been registered against you under section 323, which is generally for some kind of quarrel or alteration between the parties, when a police officer registered a case under section 323, he also adds section 504 and 506. 504 is a kind of any abuse, public verbal abuse between the parties, and 506 is a threat, a life threat to the person. So these are let me tell you that these sections under the IPC, section 323, section 504 and section 506 are non-cognizable, bailable and also compoundable. Non-cognizable, it means police cannot arrest you without the warrant of the court, so you don't need to worry about that. Secondly, it is bailable. It means you can get the bail from the police station itself. But sometimes if the police do not agree to give you the bail, you can get it from the nearby court, and you need two sureties, two person who will provide the bail bond. So and thirdly, it is compoundable. Compoundable means there is a scope of compromise between the parties. So I told him that if it is a false allegation, then you can go for trial, and if you think these are the genuine allegations and you want to compromise with the party, so there is a chances. In case if there is a conviction, there is a chances that because the maximum punishment under section 323 is imprisonment, for simple imprisonment for 1 year or a fine of 1000 rupees. So in case if there is a conviction, you can pay a fine of 1000 rupees. You don't need to go under any kind of imprisonment. So this is the fact about the section 323. So in case if you are involved in any kind of any case has been registered against you, so you need to first get a bail. Then you need to go for, if there is a possibility of any kind of compromise between the party, you should try for that. Then there is another thing that in case because it is bailable, you can easily get bail. It is if in majority of the case the police officials generally file NCR, means they don't intend to take any action against you. But if the opposite side is dead against you, then he will go under section 155 of the CRPC before a magistrate, and he will ask for an investigation by the police officer. In that case, there can be some problems. So even if there is an investigation, then you should go for the trial. You should there is a scope of compromise even at the stage of trial. You should or if you want to, if the allegations are fake, you can also go for trial and prove all the allegations are fake. So these are the things you don't need to worry, because this is non-cognizable, bailable and compoundable. So even if there is a case against you under section 323, 504 or 506, you don't need to worry. You can go for trial and prove it wrong, or you can compromise with the party, or there is also a chance that you can pay the fine of rupees 1000 and get relief from the court. So this is all about section 323. I will be coming up with more videos on the legal issues. So thank you very much for watching this video.